Hai semua! So hari ini Arina nak share with you guys macam mana nak dapatkan glass skin dengan menggunakan Syahirah Korean Secrets. So langkah pertama, kita harus double cleanse. So first, Arina akan menggunakan Syahirah's Hydra Soft Scrub to exfoliate. After exfoliating, Arina akan menggunakan Syahirah's White Glow Anti-Acne Gel. Oh, dia bawa wangi juga tau. It has a really nice scent yang Arina suka sangat. Okay, so we rinse that off and we dry our face using a clean face towel and make sure dalam dah motion tau. Next step, toner. So sekarang ni Arina tengah menggunakan Syahirah's Hydra Soft Toner, and with a facial cotton, I will be applying this gently onto my skin upwards, as you can see here. Next step, essence. So out of the two essence, Arina paling suka the blue one. It's for hydration, if you guys are wondering. And what I love about this essence, apa yang Arina suka sangat tentang essence ini, yang dibagi the glow yang Arina suka sangat. Gitu. And the final step is moisturizer. So sekarang ni Arina tengah menggunakan Syahirah's Hydra Soft Moisturizer. And with it, I will be massaging this into my skin upwards and in circular motion, as you can see here. Not only that, but water pun penting. So we gotta stay hydrated and minum banyak air. So drink as much water as you can, okay guys? And also, kita pun kena cukup tidur. Sleep is important, so get enough sleep. And that's pretty much it for the routine. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this will help you. And yeah, bye!